Okay, still in LaGrange, North Carolina. This is lot 103. It's a Forest River Wildwood. 30-footer. Nice unit. Does have slide out. Walk around. Sorry about that. Amateur on camera. Just walking through around this unit, I see no real problems on the outside whatsoever. Has a canopy. I would suggest with this unit, this is unit 103, bring some air with you, pump up the tires a little bit. And we will go inside now. Okay, we're in lot 103 inside now. This is your front sleeping area with privacy door. This does have a slide out, as I said. Has a couch that will pull out into a bed as well. The table will fold back down into a bed. Here is your kitchen area. Stove, sink, microwave, refrigerator, freezer. Don't forget, this does have a stereo in it with sound. And I'll proceed to the back. Yes, lots of closet space. Has a 2-bunk area in the back. And your facilities. Alrighty. And this is being lot 103.